Remove the protection film from the lens and the camera screen. The left side of the screen has 3 buttons: audio, shutter, and lock. The right side of the screen has 4 buttons: up, menu, down, and power. The camera will power on when connected to power. Press the menu button to enter the menu. Press the down button to locate the format option. Press the power button twice to format the card. Press the up button to locate the loop recording to set it as 1 minute. Press the down button to locate the G sensor, to set it as low. Press the down button to locate the screensaver to set it as 60s. Remove the protective film from the mount. Ensure that the mount is securely inserted into the camera slot. Loosen the screw. Adjust the angle. Then tighten the screw. Ensure the windshield is clean and free of dust. Attach the suction cup to the windshield. Lock the mount. Use the original car charger. Connect to the power port of the dashcam. Use the included crowbar to install the car charger cable. Detachable car charger fits cars with or without cigarette lighters. Turn on the car engine. The camera powers on to record when the car starts. The flashing red indicates that the camera is recording. During recording, video auto locks on collision detection. Manual lock available via lock button press. While recording, locked and regular videos are stored separately without interfering with each other. When a file fills up, loop recording starts, solving memory card space concerns and avoiding manual formatting. When the screensaver is on, the camera screen turns black after the set time. Blue light flashes for recording. Turn off the car engine. When the car is turned off, the camera will automatically power off. When the camera is on, long press the menu button for about 5 seconds to enter playback mode. Use the up and down buttons to navigate to the desired folder. Press the power button to enter. Use the up and down buttons to find the desired file. Press the power button to play. Press the menu button to go back to the previous menu level. Use the up and down buttons to find the file you want to delete. Long press the menu button to delete. Power off before removing the card. Remove the card by pressing it once with your thumbnail. Use the included card reader to playback and transfer files on the PC. Insert the card by pressing it with your thumbnail until you hear a click sound. While parked, if a shock is detected, the camera automatically activates to record locked video until the shock ceases.